Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 4th October 2024 for the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. I know most of the viewers are aware of what happened yesterday. It's a disastrous day. However, I like to highlight few things. If required, please pause and have a look. The table compares the yesterday's future market open interest with Tuesday's future index market close open interest. We know yesterday was just a weekly option expiry, but there was a major shift in the future market. On Tuesday, FIA had the long position of near 80%. That yesterday they reduced it to 66% and increased the short position from 21% earlier to now 34%. On the other hand, proprietary traders increased the long position to 35% from 23% earlier, whereas retail people also increased it to 47% from earlier 38%. Overall, FIA is still holding majority in the long position, and in addition, retail people and proprietary traders increased their long position. FIA didn't sell much on the future market. At the same time, proprietary traders and retail people added the long index. So overall, the future index volume dropped only by 0.7%, not massive. Hence, yesterday there was a significant demand for the index future. Again, hence only, despite the overwhelming negativity in the market, at the time of closing, October month Nifty future was trading about 200 points premium to the spot market. And GIFT Nifty was even worse, 250 points premium to the spot market. Normally, in this time for any given month, the premium should be 100 to 120 points for the upward positive market. But at present, it's the strong negative consolidation phase, as in the last 4 trading sessions, Nifty fell near 1000 points, and for this level of consolidation, the premium should be less than 50 points, or I won't be surprised if it was negative. On the contrary, the premium was above 200 points, so I don't think market becomes negative now, and I won't consider that as negative as long as the future market trades above 125 points future premium. The premium might get corrected even today, but that has to happen first in order to change our stance. Here, please note, I'm not saying Nifty won't fall further. Nifty might fall further massively, or Nifty might bounce back. Anything will happen in the stock market. If I predicted that accurately means, then I will be listed in the Forbes billionaire ranking. However, I just want to highlight this odd index future demand over spot market, so recommend to be careful with any open position. About institution, yesterday FIA was on the selling spree. In the future market, the net sold for 15,250 crore rupees, which was to some extent matched by DII, as they net bought for near 13,000 crore rupees. But the action was on the derivative market. Overall, the net sold for 84,000 crore rupees, and in the option market alone, the net sold for near 62,000 crore rupees. So these are the things I like to highlight about the yesterday's Indian market. Then coming to US market, tonight is an important day for the global momentum. Around 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, US Bureau of Labor Statistics is going to release bunch of US job related macro for the September month. At present, market is factoring 2 more 25 basis point rate cut in this year. If the value comes slightly less or high, then we don't need to worry too much. It won't affect the global momentum much. But if the data is not good, like too little number of new jobs added or higher unemployment, then that will dictate the global momentum. Since too little jobs added means market might become happy, as it paves the way for bigger rate cut, or on the contrary, market might have the recession fear. And the same for too much new jobs addition as well. Market might take that as positive from growing economy standpoint, or market might take that as negative, since that might influence the Fed not to cut the interest rate kind of. Anyway, hence the macro data tonight is super important. And because of this upcoming data, and with the rising tension between Israel and Iran, US stock market was flat to negative last night. In the end, Dow Jones down 0.44%, S&P 500 marginally decreased 0.17%, and Nasdaq roughly same minus 0.05%. In case of VIX, the global uncertainty increased it by 8% and moved near 20.5 from around 19. Whereas about oil, it increased by about 5% due to the Middle East conflict escalation. In terms of numbers, at the time of this video, Brent crude trading near $78 per barrel, and WTI crude trading near $74 per barrel. Coming to Indian ADRs in US market, banks got further negative. HDFC Bank ADR last night it further dropped by another 3%. So at present there is no dollar premium at all. Hence for now it's indicating the negative arbitrage of 1.5 to 3%. Then in case of ICICI Bank ADR, it dropped 1%, and if we calculate the arbitrage, it is around negative 2%. So clearly it's not good for banks. However, on the IT side, things were a bit better. Wipro indicating the positive trade and Infosys indicating the marginal negative arbitrage. Hence, IT is mixed. Finally, Reliance GDR, it also crashed near 4%. So at present, got the 1% more negative arbitrage. Despite all this negativity, none of those was shown in the GIFT Nifty. At 3 AM Indian Standard Time, it closed at 25,433. As I said, it's tricky now to predict. If we consider 200 points premium, then flat to negative opening. If we consider less premium, then it's an indication of flat to positive. So this is what happened in the global market yesterday. Now let's move to the next India specific info. Today at 10 AM Indian time, it's supposed to be RBI's interstate decision meeting, but because of the 3 new committee members joining, they postponed it to October 9th. Then regarding banks negativity, so far whatever the small banks released their monthly business update, it was not at all good. So possibly today both ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank might schedule to release their update. Maybe that is what causing the issue in the ADR market. Or else it might be specific to HDFC Bank, since yesterday in the bulk deal, BNP Paribas sold the HDFC Bank share worth of 750 crore rupees to Morgan Stanley and Citibank. Hence, particularly HDFC Bank will be on focus. Then about Bajaj Finance, they released their business update. Their assets under management increased by 29% compared to a year ago. Similarly, for the Bajaj Housing Finance, their assets under management increased by 26%. So both the Bajaj stocks will be on focus today. As a summary, it looks like whole global momentum is nervous because of Middle East concerns, and India got this additional F&O related problem. However, for now, GIFT Nifty is not indicating any problem, but please be cautious. Banks ADR and Reliance GDR both were down significantly last night. Anyway, as per stock open interest, Dauber, Bata India, Manappuram, Reliance, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, IRCTC and Godrej Properties got an increased open interest along with a negative close, indicates the short build-up. On the other hand, Granules India, Polycab, Jindal Steel, Gale, IEX and Muthoot Finance got an increase in open interest with a positive price close, which means these stocks got the long build up. Then about the things to look out, during our market hours at 10:30 AM, India's service payment data is due. Then after our market hours, India's bi-weekly banks credit and deposit growth data is scheduled to release. Finally, in US, non-farm payroll data, hourly pay increase percentage and unemployment rate are some of the important items we need to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, Nifty opened near 350 points gap down and it further dropped to 550 points and closed at 25,250. Thus on the daily chart, Nifty formed a bearish candlestick pattern with a 4th consecutive session of lower high and lower low formation. It breached the important support of 20-day simple moving average. Hence, that support point 25,500 now will expect to act as the immediate resistance. Then 50-day moving average 25,000 to 25,050 expect to act as the near-term support. Falling below, it could increase the selling pressure. In case of Bank Nifty, it also opened 600 points gap down and fell below 52,000 mark. Thus on the daily chart, similar to Nifty, Bank Nifty also formed a bearish candlestick pattern, continuing lower high lower low formation for the 4th consecutive session with above average volume. Here, in addition to 20-day moving average, Bank Nifty breached the 50 exponential moving average as well. So the negative sentiment is more compared to Nifty. Hence, on the downside, immediate support is placed at 50,990. Regarding the weekly options data, the maximum call option open interest was at 25,300 strike, followed by 26,000 and 25,400, with maximum new call option writing at 25,300 strike and then 25,400 and 25,500. On the put side, the maximum open interest was at 25,200 strike, followed by 25,300 and 25,000, with maximum maximum new put option writing at 25,200 strike and then 25,300 and 25,100. Thus, from options data, 25,300 to 25,400 range might act as the immediate resistance area with support at 25,100 to 25,000 zone. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment decision based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for me and viewers educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.